Do not tell us that we are corrupt.
I'm not saying you are corrupt. What I'm saying here is, meron pong mga tao dyan sa loob ng inyong organization. I'm not saying you are corrupt. I'm saying there are people there that are not doing their job, or maybe they're involved in corruption. Because if they're not involved, common sense lang po ito, Secretary Galvez. Pag nagsabi ka ikaw ay combatant, di ba combatant meaning, meron kang baril. So kung meron kang baril, isusurrender mo yung kapalit ng 100,000.
Your Honor, the categories of the firearms is not only individual firearms. We have also cruiser weapons. That cruiser weapons, meron po yung mga 5 o 6 po yung tao na.
Then sana magmamatch pa rin. Isama mo na yung machine gun, isama mo cruiser weapon, paano pa mga weapon. Sa kasama na dapat din.
But I definitely take offense, Senator, that you are already telling us that there is obstruction. I believe that is not a correct accusation to us.
Well, sir, I'm sorry.